What is up, guys? Today we will talk about can you guys create multiple wallet on MetaMask? Well, you can. The process is pretty simple. For that, you need to go to your MetaMask wallet. Now, this is how your MetaMask wallet will look like. Here, I'm just using it on my desktop, but the process is pretty much similar on your Android or iOS devices on the apps. So what you have to do is you just have to go to your account sections, and in the account section, just click on the account and you will be able to see that you can add an account or a hardware wallet. In order to add a new wallet, you need to add another account. However, you can actually add a hardware wallet as well. Now, hardware are the physical wallets which you will be able to add it to MetaMask. Just click on this button and then you can select what type you want. Either you want to add a new account, or either you want to import from your new account or another account, or you want to add a hardware wallet. Just select add a new account and they will want you to name that account. Just select as something like that, and then you will be able to simply create a new account, add a new wallet, and that's how you have two wallets. So that's very much it. That's how you'll be able to create multiple wallets in MetaMask. Hope you guys find this video helpful.